Okay, good morning. Today is our 44th regular session, June 16, 2026. This regular session is now called to order. Singing of national anthem through audiovisual presentation, invocation, and the recitation of the council script. In behalf of Honorable Stephen Sherka Evangelio, we would like to request Honorable Angel Kami to lead the prayer and the recitation of the council script.
Ang pagbansang awit ng Pilipinas.
I am a Philippine councilor, mandated by law to enact measures and ordinances that redound to the general welfare of my constituents in their pursuits for happiness, peace, and prosperity. I believe in public service above self as the guiding principle of my official acts. And as I try the pathways of local legislations, may the Almighty guide my mind and heart, that I shall be true to my constituent and the Filipino people.
I am a vice mayor, and my covenant with my people is to devote myself to public service by divine providence and by the will of the people. I am mandated to preside over the local legislature that with integrity and statesmanship, I shall lead the local legislature to enact measures and ordinances for the common good and fulfill my people's aspiration for happiness, peace, and prosperity. May the Almighty God help me consecrate myself for the people I am called to serve. Please sit down. Thank you very much. Roll call as a termination of quorum, Mr. Secretary.
Honorable Kailo, Honorable Review, Honorable Mintayao, Honorable Diloso, Honorable Tahan, Honorable Serenio, Honorable Artisa, Honorable Taler, Honorable Gaylord, Honorable Saligumba, Honorable Evangelio, and Presiding Officer,
Considering there are 7 members in attendance, the chair declared there's an presence or existence of a quorum. Let's proceed to the official business. Next, privilege speech. Privilege are Honorable APMR Winag Gaylor is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Maayong buntag sa tanan. Ang kopya ito ay papas na kay Fred Pangatusobos. Once again, good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about the importance of fire extinguisher. Fire is one of the most dangerous emergency that can happen at home, in school, workplace, and public place. A small fire can quickly spread and cause serious injuries, loss of properties, and even loss of life. This is why having a fire extinguisher nearby is very important. A fire extinguisher is often the first line of defense against fire. When used correctly, it can stop a small fire before it becomes uncontrollable. This helps to take people, buildings, and valuable belongings. Fire extinguishers also provide valuable time for people to evacuate safely and call emergency services. However, simply having a fire extinguisher is not enough. People should now know where it is located, how to use it properly, and ensure it regularly inspected and maintained. Remember the DBAS method: twist the safety seal, hold the pin, aim at the base of the fire, squeeze and handle and sweep from side to side. In conclusion, fire extinguishers are essential safety tools that can save lives and reduce damage during emergencies. By keeping them accessible and learning how to use them, we can create a safer environment for everyone. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you, Honorable APMR. The concern is all about the fire of the transition of the fire extinguisher. Chair declared or referred to the Committee on Public Safety, chaired by Honorable Bintayaw. Any privilege speech? Privilege message? Next, question hour. Question hour. Honorable Paul, may bisita ka? Okay, 5 minutes, sis. Okay, session. Reading and referral of the proposed measures, petition, letters, and other communications.
Mr. President, officer, the following items for referral and decision. Number 1, resolution earnestly requesting the Board of Investments and the Philippine Economic Zone Authority of Visa to recognize and support the designation of investment zone within the municipality of Phoenix-Surigao del Sur to promote economic development, employment generation, and sustainable investment. The proponent of this is Honorable Momar.
Refer to Committee on Infrastructures and Land Use, chaired by Honorable Gaylor.
Number 2, second is the proposed ordinance public-private partnership encouraging arrangement for the development, operation, and maintenance of additional facilities in the municipality of Phoenix-Surigao del Sur. The proponent of this is also Momar Diloso.
Refer to Committee on Good Governance and Committee on Ways and Means. The joint committee.
Next item is the proposed ordinance establishing the public-private partnership policy framework for infrastructure development, operation, maintenance, and support in the municipality of Phoenix-Surigao del Sur. The proponent is Honorable Momar Diloso.
Refer to Committee on Ways and Means and CSO.
Next
Joint committee.
Next item is proposed resolution authorizing the enter into MOA with accredited non-government organizations or NGOs, civil society organizations or CSOs, and other development partners for resource mobilization, technical assistance, and implementation of community development programs and project the proponents and Robo Marios.
Okay, I stand corrected. Item number 3 refer to committee on waste amendments and good governance. Item number 4 refer to committee on waste amendments and CSO. Joint committee.
Item number 5 is a proposed resolution requesting the Bayan of Peninsula or Honorable Arnold T. Malaki, Municipal Vice Mayor of Peninsula, will resort to oppose the investigation and immediate cessation of the alleged illegal mining land operating as Sitio Napo 5 Barangay Katihan, Boston, Davao, which may be adversely affecting the Raha Kamunsuan River.
Refer to committee on environmental protection. ST. Item number 5.
Next item is proposed resolution earnestly requesting His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to declare August 10, 2026 as a special non-working day in the municipality of Peninsula in celebration of the Araw ng Lingid, the proponent is Robo Marios.
Refer to committee authorizing.
Another item for inclusion is the request for a special cockfighting on June 30 at Sitio Amindan in celebration of the annual Patmal Fiesta.
Refer to committee on games and amusement.
That's all, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Any item to be included? None. Let's proceed. Committee reports. Honorable De Loso is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Committee report, Committee on Ordinances, Legal Matters, and Investigation Oversight. Request for the approval of resolution authorizing from the Mayor to enter into bill donation and acceptance with the DSWD. The committee, which was referred the request of the Municipal Mayor for approval of the resolution, respectfully submit this committee report. The committee conducted a hearing yesterday here at the session hall with regards to the established that the subject properties consisting of one child-friendly space kit worth of 50,587 and 60 centavos and one child-friendly space bin amount of 56,983 and with centavos with a total value of 107,970 and 80 centavos are intended to support the programs and services of the DSWD, particularly those benefiting children and communities affected by emergencies, disaster, and other humanitarian situations. The committee further found that the proposed transaction is supported by the municipal offices and execution of the donation and assistance and facilitate the proper transfer, utilization, and management of the subject properties in accordance with their intended purpose. After evaluating the documents submitted and considering the explanation provided during the hearing, the committee found the request to be in order and consistent with the objective of promoting public welfare and strengthening cooperation between government agencies in delivery of social humanitarian services. The committee therefore premises consider the Committee of Ordinances and Matters and Investigation Oversight respectfully recommends the approval of the proposed resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Alberto Emilio, to sign and execute the deed of donation and acceptance with the DSWD together with such other documents as may be necessary to affect the transfer of ownership of the donated properties during the business of the day. Mr. Chair. Signed, members Honorable Paler and Honorable Sereno and their colleagues.
Thank you. Any questions? Interpolation of the committee reports? Hearing none. Next, committee report. Committee on Agriculture, Honorable Paul Sereno.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. the complaint raised last Tuesday and acted on that day at 1 p.m. with regards to the labor of Bishop Fox, in which Mr. Montenegro presented to the committee his complaint regarding the ongoing use of illegal compressors in fishing activities within our maritime area. He stated that many fishermen are being disturbed and affected by these illegal practices. According to Mr. Montenegro, many fishers are currently using compressors without proper permits or in violation of fisheries laws. The use of these compressors has led to excessive fish harvesting and damage to marine resources. The fishing community has suffered significant losses in income and livelihood security due to competition from those using illegal compressors. The moral well-being of other fishers have also declined. The complaint cites provisions of fisheries law and prohibit destructive or unpermitted fishing methods. He urged enforcement of existing laws and ordinances to prevent continued violations. Mr. Consider asked the committee and authorities to take the following issues. First, increase monitoring in sea patrols to apprehend users of illegal compressors. Second, initiate an investigation with fisheries management agencies and request a report of actions taken. Third, provide information and education for fishers about legal procedures. Last, and alternative sustainable fishing practices enforced by the police and file cases against those who violate the law. The committee encouraged coordination with local police, local coast guard, the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, and Municipal Agriculturist Office to strengthen enforcement. It also suggested establishing focused coastal patrols in the community. It line for reporting. The committee recommended prioritizing investigation and enforcement actions against the use of illegal compressors in fishing. The committee advised the MAO coordinating with relevant agencies to implement the recommendations and requested to follow up report to the committee within 30 days. Signed by yours truly, with my two members, Ms. Taylor and I think
Thank you, Honorable Sereno. Any questions? Interpolation of the committee report. Hearing none. Next, committee reports. Honorable Joloso, another committee reports.
Partial report, Mr. Chair, ako naman itong committee rin kahapon
Okay.
ito sa akin na complete yung kagawas na maybe next session, Mr. Chair, para committee.
Honorable, wala na committee reports. Kasi outcome sa kuwan doon, kahapon. Itong kagawa doon si Kapitan.
Mr. Chair, ang discussion is not tapos ang ending, clarify na sila ng talagang problema. Ay lang mga misunderstanding na masamuti nila. Bahin ng paglaong ng kapitan ko na bayad ng building permit, which is delicate building permit. Kundi professional fees, engineer, pag-ibang ang building plan. Ang wala na yung problema. Tapos ang problema doon, kay iuli ni Engineer Giovanni ang kwarta na nabagto for sa munisipal na tao. So problema doon ang taga-Pronto, kaya nakuha isang pabayad na ng mga engineer, pati perma. Since Berillo, nag-update siya ng dua kapirma na libre na. Ang problema ako, may dua kapirma na bayad sila o mag-demo ng building plan. So, sabutan na nila ito ng council. Pero at least, hapon, yung siguro 30 kataga per auto, ng mga residente, sabot sila ng adagan ng deliberation. Na dili ka dito house ng kapitan ng mga misunderstanding.
So, thank you. Thank you for that update. Wala na committee reports. Unfinished business. Business of the day. Honorable De Los Secretaries.
Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the request of the municipal mayor to resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into the definition and acceptance with the DSWD Caraga region.
Okay, a motion for the approval of the resolution authorizing the municipal mayor to enter into a deed of donation and acceptance with the Department of Social Welfare and Development. Any seconder? Seconded by the Volcanoy and Paler, Gayod and Relio. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved. Honorable Paul Sereno. No approval? Wala na? No? Inyong committee reports? Wala na? You will not pass the resolution? Saan siya? O wala na? Na i-enforce ang balaod?
It was agreed during the committee meeting that since it is the march order of the mayor to seize all the illegal fishing activities that will be taken with the compressors, we highly recommended that we will abide to what is
Okay.
the march order of the mayor.
Okay, submit this for this committee reports to the MAU.
Yes. I will submit
Kaya magpalong na tayo mo after 30 days.
Yes.
So, tagaan sila kung tiyari ng committee reports. Furnish copy. So, thank you, Dr. Pong.
And yesterday, one of the and he was there was yesterday presented the light being used properly. So we discussed that although it is not official, it's just a mere discussion with the member experience. They will provide the suggested number of needs. That's why one of the fishermen in Sabang facility din. Kaya maway ato i-presenta sa MAO makakanda ng meeting sa fisheries din-review the ordinance of fisheries code of ordinance kung importante is aligned with the national law balaod sa gili ang mga issues. So, tanaw ta, wa kami maghabag ng pasaling na ma-approve na ito ang request nila padayon na nila ng nabuhay using the tribunal. So, para maklaro mo sir, kanami yung buong na nila na pwede mahiwa national yung kuan, inhatag na ibasihan ng ordinansa para yung mayor maka-implementar pagpangdakop ng illegal fishing, isip protection sa mga kadagatan na makakuha ang katanungan sa gas. Anyway, siguro si kasabutan na presentar namin ito sa MAU para madiskasan yung fisheries itong organization. Balikan ang makatawag kami very sometimes para makahimo ka ng mas madayaw o klaro na desisyon kabahin namin pag-ibigay sa naman. Kaya sa katagbiman ko, ngayon, kabahin namin natin pag-ibigay. Nandito mo kalit siya bayaran ng katipos 25,000. Doon sa determinado na dapat ngayon, di ka na sobra na kapag ko. Hangtod doon, kung sa umaabot pa ang kanang termino, ang padayon na pagdakop ng kanang illegal activities sa dagat. Maka-compromise na dinamay na. And that's all, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you. So, ang committee reports mo, kuha na lang natin sa madali siguro ay natisisari ka sa kay ang butan sa estrado minutes. Importante maparis coffee ang mau. Ang ang punto is, kasi sagot how gusto ko sagot na yung committee reports sa kanat-napan kualay ba yung tawag paminaw ng mau. Otherwise, iba, lahi sa mga committee reports kung sa resolution. So, kasi baliwalaon na expected ka lang mo committee reports because action lang ng committee. So, uno na ito yata enforce para mag-enforce sila na ito. Kaya ibutan mo sa lang na after 30 days, follow up ka mo ng kuhan, update ka o magda.
Tagalog talaga siguro, Mr. Chair, ako lang ang respond ng agriculture. Kaya during the committee meeting, it was presented by the office now.
So, ang follow up sa your committee?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. Council. Okay, thank you. Noted.
No less than experience as with the
Okay, noted.
to be simple.
Sige, noted. Thank you. Any committee reports? Business of the day?
I have no sure, Mr. Chair, regarding the campaign, special campaign.
Okay, I have a motion to have recess to discuss the new record item, the campaign activities, then how others. Item number 6.
I first discuss, Mr. Chair, this number 7, on the campaign event.
Okay, got
Supposed on June 30, it's in Soledad. And
June 30.
Yes, Mr. Chair, and I asked also my two members, and we got the agree this late information given to this committee and to this August Assembly with the schedule they wanted to have the fighting, special fighting with regards to the Sitio Vista. Sitio Mindanao.
Sa Mindang lang, isa.
Just one day, Mr. Chair. So we asked my two members.
Okay, so there's a motion to have a 5 minutes recess. Honorable Paul, 5 minutes recess, motion. Inis-Gander. Second, Honorable Gailo and Deloso. Any objection? None, 5 minutes recess to discuss the new record item.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Okay, proceed. Let's proceed. Honorable Deloso. Decision is hereby restored. Honorable Deloso.
Mr. Chair, I move for the suspension of the trade and roll to approve the
Okay. Trade roll is hereby suspended. Honorable Paul Senior is recognized.
motion for approval of the request of Kapay on June 19 at Sitsusawan, Barangay Rakabusan.
Okay, special kakmaiti, ini sitio saungan, ini celebration ke araw na saungan. Ini sikander. Sikander pero kung tayo at any objection, hearing na, what is special kakmaiti in sitio saungan is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, request for approval of the two-day stock fighting event on June 15 and 24, Barangay Sabang, in celebration of the annual festa.
Okay, to this special kakmaiti Barangay Sabang in celebration of the annual fiesta. Seconded by Honorable Bitayaw Gayo. Any objection? Hearing na, that to this special kakmaiti in Barangay Sabang is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, request for approval on special fighting event on June 25 at Barangay Road, Union, in celebration of the festa.
Okay, June 25 is special kakmaiti in City Barangay Road, Union. Ini sikander? Seconded by Honorable Saligomba Gayo at Bintayaw. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, on June 26, special cockfighting event on June 26 at Sitio Santa Maria, Pagtilaan, in celebration of the annual festa.
Okay, Santa Maria Pagtulaan in celebration of annual festa. Special kakmaiti. Ini resolution. Ini seconded motion. Seconded by Honorable Bintayaw de Rosso Againo. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
Another motion, Mr. Chair, for approval of special cockfighting event on June 30 at Sitio Mindang, Sabang.
June 30 at City Hospital Sabang. Ini sikander. Seconded by Honorable Bintayaw de Rosso. Any objection? Hearing none, the resolution is hereby approved.
That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Paul. Mr. Ino. Sana, Honorable Kanoy.
Move for the restoration of the Philippine rules.
Restoration of the Proven Road. Seconded by Honorable Luisno. House rules or preliminary rules is hereby restored. Next, unassigned business. Announcement. Okay.
I move for adjournment, position.
Okay, si Iskander, Honorable Aurelio. Session is hereby adjourned. Exact 10:40 AM.